Hey, what up YouTube? I was so excited today to get this package home, and I was going to do this little unboxing for you. I've sped the video up now to get past the boring bit because it was such a disappointment, but I got this Insta 360 Go 2 camera. I'd already sold the DJI, that wasn't living up to expectations, and this thing really turned out to be a bummer, and you'll see why in a couple of minutes. Well, in less than a couple of minutes actually. um, I unpacked it, really impressed with the size. Everything looked great. uh, can clip onto your clothes using these magnets and stuff like that, but in the end, too many problems. I had connection problems straight away. The firmware update that it insisted on was dodgy, and then the Wi-Fi cut out as well. So here is live video of what was happening. Ooh, that was a disappointment. This is the Insta 360 Go 2 that I just got just a matter of hours ago actually, and I charged it like it told me to until the green light was on the case, and this lights up green when it's fully charged. And then I installed the app. There's an app on the App Store, and I got a little bit concerned when I saw the reviews of the app on the App Store, the Apple App Store, and everyone was saying the app just keeps getting worse every time they put out an update, and then some people saying no, it's completely buggered and they can't get the videos out of it anymore. And so I went looking for other people that have had problems. I went on YouTube and I found one guy who has had problems with it. Now when you open it, it says press to connect. So you press this one and it connects to the camera. Now we've got a connection. When you take the camera out of this, it works like a remote control, a Bluetooth remote control, so that you can see the camera. The problem is this keeps losing the connection to the camera from this remote control case. This is a charging case, a bit like Apple AirPods. So it charges the device. Now, if I want to go through the menu now, and let's say, it's just vibrated and it's just lost the connection again. So it says now connecting, and that's it. So it keeps losing the connection, whether it's sat in the case or whether it's outside the case. So you just take it out like this. It's held in with a magnet, and there are these connectors on the back here. You see it's lost connection again. So I'm going to put the camera there, press connect again. It says connecting, the light changes, it's connected. And now I should be able to start pressing record, and it will indeed record for a few seconds, and then it will just miss the connection again. So, not impressed by this device. The idea is brilliant, I think, and all the videos I've seen online that are about a year old seem to make it look really, really cool. Great idea. Just like iPods, you know, limited recording time in this. There, it's lost connection again and connected again. If that was during recording, it would just stop the recording and bugger everything up. If I go to the settings here, I managed to get Wi-Fi working once, and then as soon as Wi-Fi was working on the phone, it demanded that I update the firmware. It managed to stay connected just long enough to transfer the firmware. It's lost connection again. There you go. It's bloody useless. So yeah, I am sending this back straight away, and I don't think I will be asking for a replacement. I think I will get my money back and keep looking. So great idea, very poor execution. Buyer beware. That's my take on it. Hold my finger down now, switch it off. And fortunately, I live in a country where they have a no bullshit policy when it comes to electronics and stuff like this. They will just accept it back. So what a shame. What a shame. It might be just you know, they might be able to send me another one and it might work, but do I want to keep farting about like that? I don't think so. Okay, back to the drawing board, back to looking for another cool camera. I've heard all these bad things about GoPros being buggy, but this is ridiculous. Bye.